Exposing the cuteness overload in the animal kingdom. Are you ready? First up, we have baby pandas rolling around like fuzzy little tumbleweeds. Too cute to handle. Just wait, check out these puppies learning to howl for the first time. Their tiny voices are sure to bring a smile to your face. Now, let's talk about kittens. Specifically, the ones who get stuck in the most hilarious places. Ever seen a kitten trying to escape from a paper bag? It's pure comedy gold. Oh, and don't forget the baby goats. These little guys are bouncing around like they have springs in their hooves. Absolutely adorable. Finally, we've got ducklings following their mama in a perfect little line. It's like a real-life rubber ducky parade. So, which one melted your heart the most? Comment below and let us know. And don't forget to subscribe for more cuteness overload.